Welcome back, everyone. D-Man behind the camera. Today I'm just going to do a little quick, it's not even called a refurbish, just a repair job. Ended up grabbing this at a yard sale. So the handle's loose. That's an easy fix. Just tying the damn screw inside here. It's missing the damn cover cap. Here's what I'm thinking of doing on this one. Fixing that horrible tip. And definitely the cutting edge. I'm going to leave it the way it is. Maybe just buff out, get rid of that rust back there. Who knows, maybe I'll take it apart, clean out this guard. I don't know. It's going to go with the flow. First things first, I'm just going to modify this, come here more, drop this more, swerve around, fix that blade, put a new edge on it, and then refine that edge. And I'm going to get this thing razor sharp, that's for sure. Stainless. And it was made in Taiwan. Damn, big old blade. Alright, here we go. It's going to be nice and simple. Nice and easy. That tip's looking horrible. It's really bad. Here's how I'm looking. Nice point. The edge. Flattened it all the way down. There was a nice little chunk missing over here. Just got the right bit. Believe it or not, it's a damn 12mm in there. God damn. Here's where I decided to do as well. I decided to do the blade a little bit. As you can see, this side I haven't done. But gun blue will not work on stainless. So I have here 2 acids mixed. DMK Special. It's top secret, by the way. As you can see, it's starting to etch and darken up that blade. Let that sit on here for a while, probably like, close to 6 minutes. Let it do its magic. I'm not trying to make it too pretty. I want it to look like it's been used in about, but I don't want to, I want that old character left here on this blade. That is for sure. I'm going to put a final edge on here, also up top on the swedge area. Go back and forth, spreading it evenly. Not too concerned about this edge here because I'm going to buff it out. I'm thinking probably here or down here. I don't know. We'll see. I play it by feel as I go along. Alright. Now, assembly time. It's looking all good. Check that. Beautiful. Cleaned it out. In and out. There was actually another washer stuck in there as I blew it out with the air gun. Looking real good. Yeah, I know I'm drowning that damn thing. It's alright though. Now let's see if that washer's still intact. Yep. Now back the way I had it. Let me take out this stupid thing in here. I think it's going. Feels like it. Alright. Now, get it lined up right there. Now we're going to tighten the shit out of it without snapping it. Not tighten the crap out of it, but you get what I'm saying. Oh yeah. That's looking proper. See how we're looking. Nice and tight. No play whatsoever. That's solid. Yeah. Now we're gonna put an edge on her. So this is where you can mess up a knife, guys. So practice, practice, practice. Let's do this. This thing's already razor sharp. Holy shit. Wish I had a piece of paper to cut, but I don't. Not in here. Oh well. Here's some cardboard. Turn the screen over here. Yeah. Now, I do all the handwork to make it look nice. That was definitely not easy to do, this part right here. Just gotta refine the other area right there. But overall, I think she's there. Here's the other side of it, Eddie. Yeah. Tell you what, they did a really good job heat treating this blade. Because this blade, I can feel it when I'm sharpening it, when I had it on the belt grinder, and when I was roughing it out as well for new shape. Ooh, why'd I do that? I almost cut myself, not paying attention. And yeah, it's on point. Heat treat's on point, I can tell you that much right now. Man, this thing is gonna be a nightmare.